Create a CSV file with values from a Python list. I'm trying to create a CSV file with the values from a Python list. When I print the values in the list, they are all Unicode, i.e. they look something like this. If I iterate through the values in the list, i.e. for v in mylist column print v, they appear to be plain text. And I can put a between each with print comma dot join mylist. And I can output to a file, i.e. But I want to output to a CSV and have delimiters around the values in the list, for example. I can't find an easy way to include the delimiters in the formatting. For example, I have tried through the join statement. How can I do this?
Edit, this only works with Python 2.x. To make it work with Python 3.x, replace WB with W, see the so answer.
Here is a secure version of Alex Martelli's.
For another approach, you can use DataFrame in Pandas, and it can easily dump the data to CSV just like the code below.
The best option I've found was using the Savaged from the NumPy module. In case you have multiple lists that need to be stacked,